Hello everyone. I am excited to share another insightful video from Tiju's Academy with you all. I am Indhu Abilash, your host for today. OET Speaking roleplayil കാണുന്ന ഓരോ ടാസ്കിലും പറയാനുള്ളതിനെ കീവേഡ്സ് ഫോർമാറ്റിൽ കാണാറില്ലേ? നമ്മൾ അങ്ങനത്തെ ഒരു ടാസ്ക് എങ്ങനെയാണ് ബെറ്റർ വേർഷനിൽ കാണാമെന്ന് നോക്കാം. Let's look into our scenarios and tasks. It's crucial to strike a balance between professionalism and natural conversation. Clear language use ചെയ്യുന്നതിലൂടെയും ഫ്രണ്ട്ലി ടോൺ മെയിൻറ്റെയിൻ ചെയ്യുന്നതിലൂടെയും key points concise ചെയ്യുന്നതിനോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ nurse can ensure her message is well received and understood by the patients. Here are 3 scenarios and a task for each. We are going to see the ordinary and better way of addressing each task by the nurse, and you will get a better clarity as how the better way of speaking helps you to fetch marks in OET Speaking subtest. Scenario 1. Patient name John. Let's see the scenario. You are a nurse practitioner and runs a support group for the patients who wish to give up smoking. Any nurse in the task nokam, reassure the patient that you will be able to help and offer suggestions of other pleasant things that could be introduced as an initiative of giving up smoking. Key points nokam, calling a friend, good movies, delicious meals. Let's see the ordinary way of addressing this task. John, try not to worry. I'm here to offer you help as well as suggestions in order to give up smoking. Taking initiatives like calling your friend, watching good movies and having delicious meal will help you to reduce the urge to smoke. Let's see the better way of speaking. John, I completely understand breaking the habit can be tough, but I'm here to offer you support and suggestions to make the process easier. One thing you could try is to initiate other pleasant activities into your daily routine. For example, instead of reaching for a cigarette, you could try calling a friend for a chat, watch a good movie, or enjoy having a delicious meal. These activities can help you to distract you from the urge to smoke and provide you with a sense of enjoyment. Scenario 2. Nurse is speaking with the bystander. So here, patient's daughter's name is Andrea. Let's see the scenario now. An 82-year-old female patient had bunion surgery and will be in the son or daughter's care. Nurse's task enda nokam. Explain the mother's need for the first 8 weeks. So key points ആയിട്ട് കൊടുത്തിരിക്കുന്നത് painkillers, dressing changes, mobility, personal hygiene, meal preparation. So ordinary way of addressing this task എങ്ങനെയാണെന്ന് നോക്കാം. Andrea, I'm going to discuss your mother's need during the recovery period of 8 weeks. Painkillers can be given in case of pain. She needs assistance in changing her dress daily. Mobility required. Personal hygiene has to be maintained. Need assistance in meal preparation. So let's see the better way of addressing this task. Andrea, I want to discuss your mother's need during her recovery from bunion surgery. Andrea, for the next 8 weeks, she will require painkillers to manage discomfort, regular dressing changes to promote healing, assistance with mobility as she may have difficulty in walking, help with personal hygiene, and support with meal preparation to ensure she receives proper nutrition. I hope my information is clear for you, Andrea. Let's see scenario 3. Patient's name Sandra. Scenario enda nokam. A 35-year-old patient recently diagnosed with anemia. Let's see the nurse's task. Suggest ways in which the patient can increase his or her iron intake. Beans, green leafy vegetables like spinach, kale, tofu, and iron-fortified cereals. Please reduce coffee as it inhibits the absorption of iron. Let's see the better way of addressing this task. Sandra, let's talk about boosting your iron intake, which in turn helps to overcome your condition. Sandra, try adding iron-rich foods like beans, green leafy vegetables, spinach, kale, tofu, and iron-fortified cereals to your meals. Please try to avoid intake of coffee as it can inhibit the absorption of iron. I hope this video is useful for you. Thanks for watching. Urappana Vijay.